I present to you the crown jewel of New York City. I present to you the time and the square. Look at this beauty. We got Trump Tower right there. We got all this new shit. Oh man, I love New York City. And I love it when people comment. My favorite is when people comment saying shit like, I would never want to drive there, let alone live there. And it's like, okay, sir. I 646, 61 degrees. Vacation up. Yeah, boy. Look at this shit. Columbus Circle, New York City. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We are in for a mother fucking treat. There we go. We're going this way to Broadway. There we go. There we go. We're gonna be right next to Times Square. Right next to it. But not quite in it. Because Times Square is lame. Alright, come on. No more cameras. Now we're just cruising. Oh man, look at this concrete jungle. Never ending. Never ending. Forever going. Broadway, where all the shows are. Oh shit, I lied. We are going to Times Square. Do 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 do. Look at this, guys. I present to you the crown jewel of New York City. I present to you the time and the square. With all the birds and all the things. Wait, what? Can you go this way? I think you can. I'm confused. Is this like a street? What's happening here? I haven't been here in a minute. Boy, you can't go through Times Square anymore? Ah, that's a shame. That's a shame. I guess I could have stopped right here and like got some freaking got some coffee, you know. Got a couple of things, but do 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 do. All right, that was Times Square, but I was on the wrong Broadway, so unfortunately I had to be kicked out. Yeah, I could spin around and go that way. Should I? Nah, it's okay. We go on the west side and then we'll cut across. Because I don't want to deal with this loop. Tourism is strong here. Here we go. New York City gifts. Dun dun dun. There we go. And now we can go along west side. I actually did want to go on Park. Because after all, this is not about me. This is not what I want to see. This is what I want to show you. Damn, I really wish, I really do wish I had... What street we got? This is 46. It's alright. We'll go on this side for a minute. I already showed you the Times Square. That's all you need to see. You don't need to see anything else. You saw the time, you saw the square. Panda Express? I didn't even realize that show was in the city. Five napkin burger. There we go. There we go. Ooh, it's a little bit thicker here by Port Authority. Port Authority. That's the major bus terminal for New York City. That's where everybody and their mama takes the buses. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of splitting or some creative writing or something. Oh, I'm trying to flow. I'm trying to flow. Let me flow, bro. Let me flow, bro. Oops. That was a sketchy maneuver, but what are you gonna do? Sometimes the maneuvers make themselves. What do we got here? 33rd. It's not so bad. Look at these new buildings over here. Why is it such a mess on the west side here? I wonder. However, it is. I don't like it. I'm gonna cut across, I think. Yeah, I was gonna go on Broadway. What am I doing? Now I'm on 28th already. Alright, we're gonna cut across on one of these streets. Ooh, that was a fun one. Maybe even 14th, one of the main ones. There we go. Oh, that was a good street. Beautiful. Look at this. This is the Starbucks Reserve. That's when you go when you're super cool. That's 14th Street, right? Is it not? I think it is. Wait, is it buses only? I hope not. Because that'd be truly unfortunate. Going to Broadway.